What is up guys, Leonard this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install monday.com in your PC. So first you need to head over to the monday.com's website and then you need to make sure that you are logged in with your monday.com's website, and then in the new tab you just simply need to search for monday.com download, and after searching here you will see this first official website of monday.com's desktop app. Click on that and then this website will open. From here on the left side, you will see the desktop apps for Windows. If you are using Windows, click on that. If you are using Mac, click on the Mac. And then here, this is the file name. So just simply save it wherever you'd like to save. And after that, the exe file will start downloading. And from here, you can just simply click on this file icon when it will appear when it is downloaded. Uh, After selecting the file, here it will open in the file explorer. So just simply click on that twice, and after that this will ask you to install the monday.com on your PC. And if you want anyone else to use the same application, you can choose this option, but if you want it only for you, you can choose this and then install it, and then this will install monday.com in your PC or desktop. As you can see, this is installing and it is telling me to wait while we complete the process, and when the process is done, simply click on finish, and then monday.com will be installed in your PC. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.